JDCap26 here, just do the tips and repairs and hobbies. Hope you guys are doing good this morning, this afternoon, or this night. And we got this little repair we're doing here. The iPhone broke right here. It didn't break the wires, but it broke the coating, and I'll show you that right there. You see the coating's broken? Well, with the little green stuff, we're going to fix that. So let's open this package up and get a little piece out of here. Just cut a little piece off. Don't need much, about that much. Put that in the box. And there's this plastic you have to peel off on each side, so make sure you do that. Peel the plastic off, put it over there. There's one on this side. Kind of hard to do. There we go. And what you do with this stuff is you mix the green and the blue together. I don't know if you ever use this, but it's really good stuff. It's an epoxy, and I use it for models, to put models together. Some models you need to use an epoxy to put them together. I felt this was a good choice to fix the wire. Because it really doesn't crack or anything like silicone. Over time, silicone will crack again. You know, and silicone's very hard to work with. It's gooey. This is more like Play-Doh. So what you want to do is roll it out in a get it nice and green, and roll it out in a string like that. Okay, and then go in and wrap around the area that you want to fix. Usually this hardens overnight. You're not going to have a perfect job, but a somewhat perfect job. Excuse me. This is better than the Surgu. I mean, I used Surgu in the past to fix these, but Surgu, I mean, it's so darn expensive, you know. So I decided to use this because I had this on hand. So there you go. There's the fix. Just leave that overnight, and it'll be all fixed up. It'll be all nice and attached to that wire. Make it more pretty, I guess. And put that over there. And we got this other fix here. You know, when your contacts, when you're, I did this before this video, but remember when your contacts and it says this device does not work. Well, what you want to do is you want to take something sharp, like a needle. These are pretty sharp, and go in. See those little contacts in there? You want to go in and you want to scrape the carbon off the contacts like this. Okay, and just give them a scrape, and then wipe them off with some alcohol. Give them a good scrape. Get them scored a little bit. It's hard to do. You might want to use a magnifier to do this, to look at the contacts. But just scrape off the dirt. You'll see little like black spots on there, on the contacts. So that's your second tip. Those are the 2 tips for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Be safe, and much love. Take care. Bye.